Hey everyone, it's your favorite realtor, Shonda McRae. Welcome to day 83 of my 100-day challenge. Now, today's topic is one I think you'll enjoy: expectation versus reality. So, here's one. Every house that you show is picture perfect, right? Or HGTV ready. No, you're dodging barking dolls, odd smells, and lights that don't even turn on. But I got another one. Client walks into the first home, falls in love, and they say, "This is it." But the reality is, you toured 10 houses and answering questions like, does this neighborhood have enough Chick-fil-A's nearby? Come on now. Here's one: smooth transactions where everything goes and closes on time, right? Reality, no. Lenders, inspectors, appraisers all seem to test your patience at the same time. But I get this one: glamorous lifestyles, big paychecks, and flexible hours. Oh my gosh. You're hustling 24/7, missing meals, and your car feels more like an office than your home. And honestly, that's what I love about this business. It's so unpredictable, it's challenging, and it's rewarding all at once. I mean, the reality may not always match the expectation, but when I know I hand over those keys and see the joy on my clients' faces, that's the real payoff. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, or just curious about what realtor life really looks like, reach out. I love to help you through the process with excellence, rooted in integrity, and delivered with urgency. And as always, smile and be a blessing. I'll see y'all for day 84.